VOLTEX. Make the text valuable. VOLTEX VT-Q7S is with innovative appearance structure design. It can speak multi-languages and maximum speed 4,000 revolutions per minute. Adopt high-end quality spare parts using black steel needle bar and hook. It has a USB charging function on the machine. Stepping motor directly controls the stitch length. The stitch length is more accurate. The stepping motor directly controls the reverse stitching, making the reverse stitching sound softer. Inner set 9 pattern sewing function. Simple operation and higher efficiency. Easily sew thin and thick materials with automatic front and rear reinforcement seams. Automatic reverse stitching, automatic thread trimming, and automatic pressed foot lifting function. It can easily sew 10-layer denim fabric to elastic knitted fabric, no broken thread, and no jump needle. It is widely used in the sewing process of various shirts, suits, denim underwear, cotton clothes, down jackets, etc.